How to reset Roblox password without email. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to reset your Roblox password without an email. This should be a quick video since it's easy, so if it helps you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. So let's jump straight into the video. If you have, for example, forgot your username or password of your Roblox account, what you can do is click here on Forgot Username or Password, and this screen will show up. So in here, you can choose whether to reset your password or username. It will ask you about your email. If you did not give the real email address when you created the account, Roblox cannot send you an email. So if you still don't know the email you used for this account, you can click here on the bottom, use phone number to reset password. This will ask for the phone number you use for this account. Just select your country here and input your phone number, then press submit. And it will send a text message to your number containing the code. You will have to provide the code here, and if it is correct, it will now ask you to provide a new password or username. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helps you. Once again, leave a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.